okay? In today's video, I'm going to be making steak and rice and some veggies, which is onions and peppers. And we have our steak. It's seasoned already with some steak seasoning, and our onions and peppers already washed, and some garlic peeled and washed. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and wash my rice till the water is clear, then I'm going to boil it. Now the rice is all washed clear, I'm going to boil it. So first I'll go in with some oil and let it for a little while to come to my piece of meat. Like so. I'm just going to let it cook for a few minutes. Now I'm going to flip it to the other side. That looks good. That looks good. And we put it right in the oven for about 15 minutes, all until it's 145 inside. The rice is still doing well. On the slicing time, let's go ahead and dice the garlic. So, slicing of onions. It's time to slice the peppers. Look at all those colors, so good. Our peppers is sliced, onions is sliced, and our rice is cooking. Almost done. Good. Let's check on how the steak is doing. Yeah, it's done. Looks good. Looks like rice is done. Rice in the straining. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook our steak. Some oil. Let it come to straight. Okay, now let it cook. Let's put it in the back in the tube. There you go. Seasoned on both sides. Looking good. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off in the oven. Transfer it to the sheet pan. And now it's time for the stir fry. Pot is dry. Oil. As much as you want. I think that's enough for me. Ooh, now the oil is hot. Garlic, onion, then a lot of peppers. Let's let it cook together. Mix it. Let's check on the steak. Yep. Let's let it do its thing. Put some seasonings on there. Salt. Oregano. Mix it really good. Pepper flakes. And I'm just stirring. It's about to be done. Look at all that juice. It's going to be so good with the rice. Taste. Still crunchy. so good. It's just perfect for me. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's slice our meat. Very delicious dinner. Easy to make. Stir-fry veggies, steak, rice, avocado. Healthy balance.